The electric ramp requires a level spot and at least 15 feet of room behind the trailer for safe operations and optimal performance, and has a 1,000 pound weight capacity. Make sure the area is clear before operating the ramp. There are two sections of the ramp, the main section and the fold section. To begin, open the back doors of the trailer all the way and secure them with the wind latch. The pendant to control the ramp should be located just behind the ramp, magnetized to the interior wall of the trailer on the left side. Raise the approach plate and latch it into place. Skipping this step will cause damage to the ramp during ramp deployment. Take the pendant out of the trailer, watching where the cord is to ensure it does not get pinched during operation. During this operation, pay close attention to the lower drag links throughout the process. The central pin of the drag link should remain in the middle to upper portion of the drag link slot. To deploy the ramp, press the down button, which will start moving the fold section outward from the trailer. Once the end of the ramp unfolds about a foot, while still pressing the down button, press the out button to begin moving the main section of the ramp outwards. The fold section should be about 45 degrees past vertical when the wheels contact the ground, creating an A-frame profile. Damage can occur if the ramp is allowed to touch down with the fold section on or behind the vertical orientation. Once the ramp rollers are touching the ground, you can toggle the down button to keep the drag link in the middle of the drag link slot. Continue holding the down and out buttons until after the ramp feet have landed. When the ramp is fully deployed, the cabinet will beep. You may then unlatch the approach plate and unfold it. To stow the ramp, fold up the approach plate and secure the latch in place. Then press the up button for a few seconds to allow the pin of the drag links to center in the drag link slot. Then release the up button. Next, press and hold the in button to begin moving the main section of the ramp. Once the main section begins rising, toggle the up button to keep the drag link pin near the top of the drag link slot. The wheels should lift off the ground before the fold section of the ramp reaches the point of vertical. Once the wheels have lifted, continue to simultaneously press the up and in buttons until the ramp is fully stored. Ensure the fold section of the ramp does not swing into the main ramp section, as damage can occur. The fold section will stop when it reaches the end of travel. Continue bringing the main section in until it also reaches the end of travel. Place the pendant inside the trailer where indicated. Unlatch the approach plate and lower it so the ramp is in the proper transport position. Attempting to close the rear trailer doors with the approach plate latched up will cause damage to the switch panel.